Now we can discuss question number 4. In the given figure, chord ED is parallel to diameter AC of the circle. Given angle CBE is equal to 65 degree, calculate angle DEC. Given ED is parallel to AC, also given CBE is equal to 65 degree, join AB. Since AC is the diameter, angle ABC will be 90 degree. Why? Because angle at the semicircle is a right angle. So this angle, total angle will be 90 degree. Total will be 90 degree. ABC is equal to the sum of two angles. Which two angles? ABC is equal to ABE plus EBC. So total is 90 degree. Angle EBC, this one is 65 degree. So what about this angle, that is ABE? ABE will be what? After that we can find out ACE. First we can find ABE. ABE will be what? This angle. Total is 90 degree. Up to this 65 means this angle will be 90 minus 65, which is equal to 25 degree. That is ABE will be 25 degree. Then ACE also will be 25 because ABE and ACE lies in the same segment. No. ABE is equal to 25 means ACE also will be which one? 25 degree because they lies in the same segment AE. Also given AC is parallel to DE. Look at AC and ED. AC is parallel to ED. So EC is the transversal. So ACE is 25 means what about angle DEC? DEC also will be what? 25 degree because alternate angles are equal. So this angle is 25 degree. That only we want to prove. Angle DEC we want to find out the measure. We want to find the measure of angle DEC. So it is 25 degree. Next question number 6. In the figure, angle DBC is equal to 58 degree. BD is a diameter of the circle. Calculate first one angle BDC, second angle BEC, third angle BAC. Given DBC is equal to 58 degree. Also given BD is the diameter. Since BD is the diameter, angle BCD will be 90 degree. Since angle in a semicircle is a right angle, so we can write this as 90 degree. So reason is angle in a semicircle is a right angle. So that is the first part we want to prove. Angle BCD is equal to 90 degree. Next consider triangle BDC. Since these two angles we got it as 58 and 90 degree, what about this angle BDC only we want to find out. Second part is we want to find out BDC. So what about BDC? Sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So this angle will be 180 minus sum of these two, that is 58 plus 90 is what? 148. So BDC will be what? 180 minus 148, which is equal to 32. So angle BDC will be 180 minus sum of 58 and 90 is 148. So 148, which is equal to 32. Consider the cyclic quadrilateral BECD. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So angle BEC plus angle BDC, these two angles will be 180 degree. Now we got this angle as 32 degree. So what about this angle E will be, that is BEC will be 180 minus 32, which is equal to 148. That is BEC is equal to 148. That is our second part. Next we want to find out angle BAC. BAC will be what? Second part we proved now. Angle BDC is equal to 32 degree. So automatically BAC will be 32 degree. Why? Because BDC lies in the segment BC. So BDC we got it as 32 degree. So BAC also will be 32 degree because BAC also lies in the segment BC. So this angle will be 32 degree. That is our third part. Thank you.